NotebookLM is a world-class study AI tools, but only if you prompt it the right way. In this video, I will show you 10 NotebookLM prompts for studying, research, and learning, each one paired with the Studio feature that complements it. Each one comes with a fill-in template you can copy, and every single one was tested on a real notebook. Zero coding, nothing to install. Everything happens inside NotebookLM. Let's get started. Setup: how to train NotebookLM. Before the prompts, you need to set up your notebook correctly. Once. You'll never have to do this again. Go to notebooklm.google.com. Click Try NotebookLM. Click Create New. Name your notebook, whatever subject you're studying. Now upload your sources: textbooks, study notes, PDFs, YouTube links, websites, anything related to what you're learning. Here's a pro move for research-heavy subjects. Use the deep research feature with this custom prompt. It's in the description. Find me sources from top tech publications only. AWS blogs, Google Cloud documentation, enterprise case studies. This filters out individual bias and outdated sources and pulls only from the big names you can actually trust. Now go to the Customize panel, turn it on, and paste this system prompt. Also in the description. Role: you are an expert educator and technical consultant. Your goal is to help me master this subject by synthesizing the uploaded source material into a structured learning experience. Think of this as training your personal tutor, one time, and then having it work for every prompt you run from here. Click Done. Now the 10 prompts. Prompt 1. The Studio panel has a built-in mind map. It builds a hierarchy from your sources in seconds. But it has one major blind spot. Mind map shows hierarchy. It does not show cross connections, the links between ideas in different branches, and that's where most learning actually lives. Prompt 1 fixes that. From my lecture notes in this notebook, create a concept map with cross connections. Structure: one central topic at the top, 4 to 6 main subtopics branching from it, 2 to 3 key ideas under each subtopic. Then, and this is what mind map misses, list the cross connections across subtopics. Copy the prompt, then open the chat and paste it there. From this point, you have the option to export it, but instead, we'll save it to Notes. After saving, go to the Studio panel. Click Infographics, select Sketchnote, paste, and hit Generate. You'll see the strategy laid out visually across your entire course. Download it as a PNG. Prompt 2. This one is for when the textbook loses you, and the next class is tomorrow. Prompt 2. Explain this concept like I'm 10 years old. Start with an analogy from everyday life: a kitchen, a playground, a video game. Explain the concept in 3 sentences using that analogy, then add one technical term at a time, defined simply before you use it. End with the textbook definition from my source, so I can recognize it on the exam. Do not skip steps. Do not use jargon without defining it first. Use only what's in my sources. Copy the prompt, then open the chat and paste it there. From this point, you have the option to export it, but instead, we'll save it to Notes. After saving, go to the Studio panel. Click Video Overview, select Whiteboard, paste and generate. NotebookLM turns your sources into a narrated explainer, built from your own textbook, like a mini YouTube lecture you didn't have to find. Use this when you're stuck on one specific concept, when you have 20 minutes, when the reading lost you and you need it unlocked before the next class. I applied this process to all the 10 prompts. And by the end, I had a well-organized set of notes and materials that made my studying more structured and far more effective. This is where the magic happens. After running all 10 prompts, you need to export every single answer generated by NotebookLM, so you can study only what matters, nothing else. To do this, we're going to use a powerful extension called CoreText. I'll drop the link in the description below. Here's exactly what to do. Go to the CoreText website, click Try for free, then click Add to Chrome, and hit Add Extension. Simple, done. But wait until you see what it unlocks, because most people have no idea this is even possible. Now head back to NotebookLM. At the top of the chat section, you'll notice there's nothing there at first. Go ahead and click Refresh, and just like that, you'll see 2 brand new buttons appear: Export and Copy. These 2 buttons are about to save you hours of studying time. Click on Export, and you'll see a list of different formats you can choose from. Now here's where it gets interesting. Go ahead and select all the answers generated from all 10 prompts. Every single one. What you're doing here is powerful. You're filtering noise and keeping only high-value insights. Choose Export as PDF and open it. What you're looking at right now is a clean, curated, ready-to-study PDF, packed with only the most relevant information on your topic. No fluff, no noise, just the knowledge you need. And the best part? You can go back to this file anytime, anywhere. NotebookLM is incredibly powerful, but only when you pair it with the right tools. And trust me, core text is just the beginning. That's exactly why in my next video, I'm going to show you 7 free NotebookLM extensions that will completely transform the way you study and research. These are tools most people don't even know exist, and once you see them, you'll never go back to studying the old way. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you're the first to see it the moment it drops. You don't want to miss this one. Next, I experimented with combining NotebookLM and Gemini, and here's exactly what I did. First, I set out to create a learning tracker app. I opened Gemini, went to the homepage, clicked Add Files, selected NotebookLM, and chose the project I had been working on. Then, I typed this prompt: come up with an idea for a behavior and learning tracking app. Now, after Gemini generated the idea, I clicked on Tools, selected Canvas, switched it to Pro mode, and entered a more detailed prompt: create a smart learning companion app that tracks how I study, identifies patterns in my behavior, and gives personalized advice to help me learn faster and more effectively. And just like that, Gemini generated a simple app concept that monitors and tracks study time and reading habits. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials like this.